I was recently asked by a friend who had just got a Windows 8 computer how to add things to her start screen and to her taskbar, and then how to find a program that she was used to using that didn't appear to show up anywhere. And that's what this short video is about. Here you can see my desktop, and I have various icons for the programs that I use frequently. Imagine that you've just clicked the Start menu, you've gone into Program Files, and instead of having a list of program files going up and down your screen, you've got these tiles laid out across. Now I have a touch screen monitor, so I can use my finger to scroll across. You can use the mouse, and there you go. There's all of the items that are on the desktop. So how do I find something else, and how do I pin something to the taskbar? The taskbar, if I go to my desktop, I can either click the desktop icon here, or I can use Windows D, and here's the desktop. Down at the bottom here is the taskbar. You will note that I have various program icons pinned to the taskbar. So the question I was asked is, how can I add the Skype icon to the taskbar? Because I work, and I agree, I work mainly with the taskbar. I don't work with this view all the time. So I want to be able to get to Skype without having to come here first. So to add any of these icons to your taskbar, you can simply right click them with the mouse, and you'll see that mine says pin to taskbar here. If I click that, it will pin that icon to the taskbar, and there it is down there. I've got two versions of Skype. I've got the desktop Skype and the Windows 8.1 Skype. The other question I was asked is, what about a program that I use a lot that isn't on the desktop? Well, here the Windows 8.1 search comes into its own. I love this feature. You can simply from the start screen start to type what you want to look for. Now I didn't open the search charms, I didn't click anything, I just typed note and probably notes, and you'll see that Windows has decided to suggest for me things that match the word note. Currently it's searching everywhere. I have the option of searching settings, files, web images or web videos, and it will use Bing for those. But I've found my Notepad app, which is what I want to use, and I can right click here and choose either to pin it to the start. I'll pin it to start, and I'll also choose pin to taskbar. So now if I go all the way over to the right hand side, you'll find there's the Notepad icon. Windows always puts these icons at the very far right of your screen. So now I can click on it. You'll see that the blue rim appears, and I can drag it across and pop it into where I am going to use it on a frequent basis. Now if I go into my desktop, remember that's Windows and D, there I have my Notepad icon on the desktop. And you can do that with just anything in Windows 8. You can pin it to the Start menu or pin it to the taskbar. And that's it. If you have any other questions, do ping them over to me via the Facebook page, theITTrainingSurgery.com, via Twitter, find me at ShelleyFishel, or drop me an email via my website to enquiries@theITTrainingSurgery.com.